Greetings and welcome to the channel. This video is the continuation of our subject, which is how to factorize. Our last question that we dealt with in our last video was 2.2. Now we move on to 2.3 as it appears on the screen. Yeah, that's our 2.3. Okay, let's see. One of the simplest ways to factorize this is to remove the brackets. I know there are many ways, but I believe this is one of the simplest ways. Okay, now let's remove the brackets. Minus 3 times 1 equals to minus 3. Minus 3 times minus p squared equals to plus 3p squared. Minus 3, since there's a plus sign after the bracket, we will drop everything as it is. Okay, all right. Now we look for like terms. We collect like terms. We have 3 and 1 as like terms, and then 3p squared and p, they're different. They're not like terms. So now we'll write a 3p squared plus p, and then a minus 3 plus 1 equals to minus 2. Okay, now we have to factorize. We have 3 terms in front of us, a trinomial. So now we are looking for factors. We look at the first term and the last term. So now we are looking for factors of both terms, considering the middle term. Our factors of the first term and the outer term, like we must make sure that when we add them at the end, they must give us the middle term. All right. So now let's put a 3p and p as factors of the first term, factors of 3p squared. And then we look at the outer term, it's 2, and then the factors of 2 or minus 2 is, let's put 2 here and 1 here. Now the signs, let's look at the sign of the middle term is positive. So now here, let's put the positive and here put the negative. All right, you need to make sure that your factors are correct. The only way to be sure is by checking. Okay, so now 3p times p equals to 3p squared, and then 3p times 1 equals to 3p. Then minus 2 times p equals to minus 2p, and then minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. Okay, 3p and minus p gives us a p. Okay, so it's 3p squared plus p minus 2. This is the same thing. So now that means our factors, they are correct. So now we have factorized. All right. Let's move on. Under the same subject, how to factorize, I have another question paper in front of me. We'll do again question 1. Okay, so now we have 1.1, 12x squared minus x minus 6. Okay, let's see. Again, this is a trinomial. We have 3 terms. So now we are asked to factorize. Okay, now looking at the first term and the outer term, let's look for factors of the 2 terms. Okay, bearing in mind or considering the middle term. So whatever factors that you're gonna use, you must also consider the middle term. Okay, now with 12, we have 12 and 1. We have 3 and 4. We have 6 and 2. These are the factors of 12. And then for 6, we have 6 and 1. We have 2 and 3. These are the factors of 6. So whatever that you choose, you must make sure that your factors, when you add them, they give you the middle term. And when we remove the brackets, when we multiply our factors, they must take us back to the original expression. Alright, now let's see. So the factors of 12, let's take 3x and 4x. And then the factors of 6, let's take 2 and 3. These are the factors. Now the signs, let this one be negative and this one be positive. Like I said, you need to make sure that your factors are correct. You can only be sure by checking them. So now let's see. 3x times 4x gives us 12x squared. 3x times minus 3 gives us what? Minus 9x. 2 times 4x gives us plus 8x. 2 times minus 3 gives us minus 6. Okay. So 9x and 8x are like terms. So if we add these, you will get minus x. So we have the original expression. So we can conclude and say these are the factors of this. So our factors are correct. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. I hope the video has helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.